Adjustable keyboards have surged in popularity for their performance, durability, and tactile satisfaction. Camping gear like folding tables is gaining demand for its portability and multifunctional use. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or setting up a backyard BBQ, the right folding table offers convenience, storage, and reliability. In this guide, we evaluate the best folding camping tables based on build quality, portability, setup ease, adjustability, and value. List number: Coleman Outdoor Folding Table. Aluminum, snap-together design, seats 4, carry bag included. The Coleman Outdoor Folding Table is a classic, compact solution for campers who need reliability and simplicity. Built with a sturdy aluminum slat top and strong steel frame, it comfortably seats 4 and supports heavy gear or meals. The snap-together design is intuitive, taking just minutes to assemble and disassemble. It folds into a lightweight carry bag, making it perfect for car camping. List number 2. Portable Outdoor Camping Table, large for 2 to 6 people, foldable with aluminum roll-up top and carry bag. This portable camping table is designed for versatility and capacity, comfortably accommodating 2 to 6 people. The roll-up aluminum tabletop offers excellent stability and can handle everything from meal prep to card games. The powder-coated steel frame is sturdy yet foldable, and setup takes just a couple of minutes with no tools required. It's rust-resistant, weather-tolerant, and perfect for varied terrains. List number 3. KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table. Environmental table with adjustable height aluminum legs. The KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table is where eco-conscious materials meet outdoor practicality. The natural bamboo tabletop is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also durable, water-resistant, and easy to wipe clean. The aluminum legs are fully adjustable to 3 heights, accommodating everything from seated dining to standing use. Despite its elegant design, this table is rugged and supports up to 176 pounds. List number: Woromai's Lightweight Aluminum Folding Camping Table. 47 inches by 21.65 by 26.7, roll-up design. The Woromai's lightweight camping table is perfect for solo campers or small groups looking for maximum portability without compromising surface area. The roll-up aluminum top and folding legs make setup and breakdown fast and easy. Weighing under 10 pounds, it's one of the lightest, full-size tables in its class and comes with a durable carry bag for easy transportation. List number: KingCamp Adjustable Height Folding Table. 4-fold bamboo outdoor portable table with carry bag. Another standout from KingCamp, this 4-fold bamboo camping table adds more portability and versatility than the standard version. Its 4-fold design makes it even more compact for transportation, while still maintaining the strong bamboo top and adjustable aluminum legs. This table supports up to 176 pounds and adjusts to 3 heights: 17.7, 20.9, 25.6. Perfect for multiple use cases, from dining to games to outdoor cooking.